If all your music you have written is either in 3/4 or 4/4 and you're like me and love to learn new things, then maybe now is the time to try something new. Expand your rhythmic vocabulary by just simply adding a few beats to your bars. I'm gonna show you some ways that you can think about odd signatures and simplify how you can write songs with 5/4, 7/4 and 11/4. Let's get started. The way I think 5/4 is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's make some hi-hat. Two, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I really like this. And let's make some chords for it. So let's keep the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then we go up. We just let this for okay. So this is just my way of thinking 5/4 in the easy way. So I divide them by 3 and 2. And we could also have done the opposite and say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. But I don't think that this sounds weird, because now I just think of 3/4 and 2/4, and that's very simple for me to understand. So let's move on to 7/4. 7/4. We can think this in many different ways. We can like divide it in 2, 1, 3, 4, whatever, as long as we kind of understand it ourselves. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So and then I divide the 4/4 up in 2. Two, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. So again, very simple, and I don't think that this sounds odd at all. It has like this strange feeling because there's always a beat missing, but if I didn't know that it was because it was 7/4, then I would just have this feeling of something doing something to me. Okay, let's try something else. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2. The drums you can download on my webpage, and they're totally free. One, two, 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 oh 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2. And then I'm gonna do some naughty business. So now I kind of messed it up. Two, 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2. 11/4. My most common way of using 11/4 is to say 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. So we're kind of skipping one beat. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Oh, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1. I make some very basic drums, but you could of course make it more advanced or more up-tempo or whatever you like. So let's say so 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 3 3 3 2. Let's try to do something else. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Yeah, wow. Okay, so I will divide the chords in 2 2 2 2 3, I think. my tip for you is just to try something out and always try to divide it in something that you know. So for example, divide it in 4, 3 or 2 or 1s. Not all music should be in 4/4. Maybe most of it should be, maybe not, but I challenge you to try it out. Make some songs with odd bars, or at least just maybe one bar that is in 5 in a 4/4 song, and you will learn something, and you will make something, and you will give your song some character. And music needs character, your character. If you like this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It will make me so happy. Enjoy.